We exclusively present you a unique apartment of 115 square meters in Ελληνικό. It has 3 spacious, bright bedrooms, as well as a spacious living room with fireplace and a very functional kitchen. Apart from the bathroom, there is also a WC with shower. There are double aluminum frames, security door, alarm, solar water heater. The heating is autonomous oil and there is already an installation for natural gas. It has large, perimeter balconies and veranda with barbecue. The view is truly incredible. It has a parking space as well as a storage room of 10 square meters. The apartment building was built in 1997, with an elevator, is well maintained and during this period is being renovated, interior and exterior spaces. The majority of families living in the building own the apartments. The property is located in a quiet neighborhood, next to supermarkets, schools, park and the local market. Very close to public transport stops. The metro stops Argyroupoli and Ελληνικό are about within walking distance, just 6 minutes walk. The apartment is sold with all household equipment, electrical appliances, furniture, optionally. There are no financial pending issues and it is immediately available, as it has all the necessary supporting documents.